My alter ego. Information personal. I might be musician. I might be dancer. Achievements. I had been composer. I had spoken French. I had been composer with the guitar. I might be dancer in Cali, salsa. Trips. I have traveled to San Andres. I have traveled to Bogota. San Andres have a great beach. Memorable experience. I had been with my father when I was a child. I have shared moments with my sister. Mm, the relationship with my sister is not good in this moment. Things you have happened done. I have been a swimmer professional. Things you might things you might do in the future. I might create a music academy. Thank you.